Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve disabled account on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve disabled account on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Clash of Clans. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.